Good evening, friends. My name is Vaishali Sharma. Today I will tell you about the history of an IVF, why IVF was invented, and what actually IVF is. First of all, in vitro fertilization, which means IVF. In vitro fertilization is better known as IVF. It is an assisted reproductive technology in which fertilization takes place in the lab instead of inside a body. The world's first IVF baby was born in 1978, who was Louis Brown. In vitro fertilization has given hope to millions of couples who could not conceive a child in any other way. The meaning of in vitro is within the glass. In other words, it is referred to as anything occurring in a laboratory. This is the opposite of an in vivo. In vivo, which means within the body. IVF was invented to bypass damaged or blocked fallopian tubes. Now I will tell you about the history of IVF. The way to successful IVF treatment was long. Thanks to the bravery and persistence of the early scientists and doctors, the technology of IVF are available today. In 1934, the Grigory Pincus performed first fertilization of rabbit egg in a lab. In the spring of 1944, Dr. Pincus and a lab technician Miriam Mencken created conditions that achieved for the first time the fertilization of an human egg in the lab. In 1951, Dr. Landon Shattles was able to replicate Dr. Pincus' fertilization of an egg in a laboratory and managed to keep the fertilized egg developing until day 6. In November 1977, Dr. Robert Edward and Dr. Patrick Steptoe performed the first successful IVF treatment in England. Eggs were retrieved from Leslie Brown and fertilized with John Brown's sperm sample. The world's first human IVF baby, Louis John Brown, was born on 25th July 1978 in England. Today, IVF is the mainstream. Less than 5% of fertility patients requires IVF. An estimate of 8 million IVF conceived babies have been there around the world. These are called test tube babies. They are as healthy as a typically conceived children. In my next video, I will tell you about what is infertility and fertility and the process of IVF. Thank you.